Yes, my daughter, I did. Some young men from South Africa visited my palace. They request to erect a mast in our community for their telecommunication.
Wow, that's great.
I told them that I'm interested, but I need to consult my cabinet members because I do not take unilateral decisions. But again, they came asking for something else.
And what could that be?
The young man said they needed your face to be on their company's billboard.
Are you serious?
Yes, as a model.
Of course I am a model. This is something I've been dreaming and craving for. Father, make it happen, please.
You like that?
No, I love that.
It's all right, just consider it done, my
dear. Thank you, Dad.
That's good.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, my daughter.
Thank you.
Just consider it done, okay?
I can't wait to appear on those big ones.
You like big things.
See, I don't like this kind of thing. See, I don't like this kind of thing. Up till now, I never see credit alert. This is the most important thing in all this thing you guys are doing. I don't even understand whatever you're doing. See, I need my money.
See, relax. What's your problem, man? Relax.
I don't like what I hate to.
What do you want to do now? Chill. He'll be here soon. I promise you.
Hey, guys. For me, my main concern here now is the next step. I'm looking at a bigger picture, not be this thing where I see.
What's up, guys? How did it go?
Fine. Everything went fine. How about your own end?
My own end? Well, my own end is good. I've got my prince at a spot where I want him to be. So don't worry, that is covered. So what's up?
Yeah, this small boy. What's up? What's up? What's up with my credit alert now? Hey, give me this money now. Give me this money. I know they like waiting and they hate. You don't understand. See, forget this packaging, Forget all this packaging. I go put that for your body, I don't go like an water. I just put that for your body. Give me my money now.
Who is this guy? Don't tell my body water. I don't know what's your connection with money, you this boy. You know that money now they wine your nipple. You can count it if you want to. I mean why, guys?
Okay, I'll see. So, that's the place now, yeah? It's fine.
Alpha, you go add anything.
Ebere, you are a disappointment.
How now?
I planted you there for a reason. But your laziness made you lose focus.
I am not lazy. I've done everything you asked me to do.
Ebere, will you shut up? How can you tell me you have done everything I asked you to do and you are yet to be pregnant for the prince?
I don't even know if he's important. I've tried all I could.
That makes it more easier, Ebere. You know what? You need to get pregnant for your loved one, Ebu, and put it on the prince.
And what if he demands for DNA test?
Exactly where I come in to make sure that doesn't happen. Come, Ebere. You don't even have to be pregnant before you put on the fire.
Really?
Yes. The queen is about falling into my trap. I need you to watch her closely.
How? How do I watch the queen?
The queen is seducing David because she's in love with him. And it won't be long before he falls.
How come, I didn't notice all these things.
Laziness. Laziness is the answer to your stupid question. You are blind spiritually and physically. Open your eyes. Ebere, open your eyes. Don't mess up things for me.
I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy.
David, could you please come upstairs? Alright, I'm waiting.
My princess, you sent for me.
Yes, how are you doing?
Very well, my princess.
Okay, some men approached my father. They said they would want me to model for them. Do you think I'm good to go?
Of course, my princess. All you have to do is to work on your dieting and rehearse more often.
Are you serious? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You see, this is the reason I always consult you. The palm wine you recommended for me gave me tremendous result. Thank you once more.
Thank you, my princess.
How about the palm wine seller?
Her father was very cold to me when I saw her to let her know that she needs to supply us with more palm wine. But she promised to supply us.
I can't wait. Let me know so I can pay her once she supplies us.
Okay, my princess, I'll do that.
Alright, you can go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Father.
My princess,
Yes, Father.
you're still here.
Father, you really need to talk to your son about this past thing. He's taking it too seriously.
He should. Losing the throne for such trivial reason will not do anybody any good.
Exactly why I have to make my father proud. By presenting my future queen as soon as possible.
Future queen, which of your ex are you talking about? Because the last time I checked, I know you don't have a girlfriend.
Well, don't be too sure. You don't even know the half. And please don't even think about presenting that stupid driver of yours to father. Because as far as I'm concerned, it could just be an arrangee for the throne.
My princess, what is he talking about?
My father, to the best of my knowledge, absolute nonsense. He's hallucinating. Yes, I haven't presented any man to you simply because I haven't seen a befitting man. I haven't seen Mr. Right. And once that happens, of course, I'll present him to you.
Oh, please shut that deceitful mouth of yours. You think people are blind? Look, I know all your ploys. I have them in...
How dare you raise your voice before me?
Father, you gave birth to a dog. He enjoys backhand.
I will tell you what I think of you, but I won't because I'm in the presence of father. But I won't have you desecrate the image of this family.
Shut up. Until dog.
Next time, remember I am still the king of this kingdom. And mind how you talk before me. Did I make myself clear?
That's fine.
Hey, Alpha, what is it? Sudden urgent.
Have you noticed the relationship between the Queen and David?
No. What could that be?
Watch them closely for me.
Huh.
We might use this opportunity and exploit the Queen. Yes.
Listen, at night, come to my room for more details. Anyways, it's not, we shouldn't have this conversation here.
I know what you want, boy child.
Okay.
Yes. Of course, that would be nice. We'll see how it goes then.
Greeting, my prince.
Oh. Can I call you back? Yeah, I'll call you right now. Hey, what is it?
I was actually heading to your room before I met you here.
How many times have I warned you not to interrupt me whenever I'm on a call? What is it?
I'm very sorry, my prince. I have vital information for you. Very vital.
If it is not about Princess Amanda, then forget it.
Well, it's more than Princess Amanda, but since you said if it's not about her, I should forget it, then I beg to leave, my prince.
Ewu!
My prince.
If you walk out that door, then I might consider driving myself henceforth.
I'm very sorry, my prince. My prince, it's about David and your mother, the queen.
What about them?
My prince, David wants to bring doom into the kingdom. Your kingdom. From observation, it seems David might already be sleeping with the queen and your sister, the princess.
What?
Well, please,
what did you say?
My prince, I will advise you, please, don't be hasty, I beg of you. I want you to observe them for a while, because I didn't catch them red-handed. And secondly, some people came into the palace to see the king. They also offered your sister, the princess, a modeling job. As we speak, David is a new photographer. He's taking our pictures outside. My prince, I beg to leave. Please. Thank you.
My mother?
I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, and they respect everybody, and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say I they cross the boundary. But every day, Aquamoka, no. Jay, man, I get the come well, I know. It's a gentleman, hey, cause every day, Moka, no. Ay, man, I get it come messing, no. It's a gentleman, Hey, I am only but a servant to the royal home. Yeah, I carry out my duties with humility. As a good son, and they respect everybody, and that they serve everybody. But they say that I too they carry shoulder, and they say I they cross the boundary. But every day, Aquamoka, no. Jay, man, I get the come well, I know. It's a gentleman, hey, cause every day, Moka, no. Ay, man, I get the come messing, no. It's a gentleman.
Joining the ethics of our tradition. Son, royalty requires integrity. You must read in between the lines before you do anything. Integrity matters. A to-be king is not supposed to bandit words with women, like I said, uses their left hand to clean their anus. No, son. My father used to tell me. I kept it, and it is guiding me up till now. And today, Ikube Kingdom do not tolerate stealing and all manner of promiscuity in this kingdom. And we keep it till death. I love you, son. And I would like you to represent me after my demise. I hope I made myself clear.
Yes, Father.
No more ranting with women. You don't seem to be happy, wife. Who angered you?
Perhaps that fool, that boy David, is to be blamed for this.
And that is why the king should suspend him from this palace for a while. To enable us have some peace.
But mother, I think we have to apply caution in dealing with matters like this because...
I don't want him near my princess. I can't take that anymore. Before he deceives my daughter.
My queen, I think you are right there.
Absolutely right.
Well, I want to say him, David.
I'm ready.
See, make sure you deliver this drink to the prince himself.
The prince?
Yes.
Papa, have you forgotten the princess ordered for a keg of palm wine?
Tell the princess you'll supply her own tomorrow. Right? Don't mess up with this.
Papa, is there something you're not telling me?
Must I tell you everything? Or you have like Amaka? Yeah.
You're supposed to tell me. Remember, I'm the person that is serving those people. So I should be able to know what you're up to. So I will know how to address them.
The prince demanded and paid 10 times more than what the princess had wanted to pay. What?
Papa, I hope this is all about business. Because I don't understand why you asked David out of this house.
I'm very happy you understand my ambition. Oh? But these are clothes. Why must you dress like this? Throw this cloth up. You won't wear it.
Oh, but there's nothing wrong with what I'm wearing now.
Throw the cloth up. Throw it up. Yeah. It's okay like this. But make sure you are smiling while giving the prince this drink.
Hey.
Amaka?
Papa, are you sure this thing is only business that we are doing? Because I don't understand why you asked David out of this house. And now you're telling me to go and be smiling in front of the prince.
I'm very happy you are smart enough to understand my ambition. What? You don't want to guy. You live in a church.
Okay, Papa.
What I'll ask you tomorrow. You live in a young Kawata tomorrow. But you never come work.
Your Highness, I have served this palace with my whole heart. And sincerely speaking, I do not regret it.
David, I can attest to that. But it's quite unfortunate that I do not like how your name is being mentioned in all nooks and crannies in my palace. So I've decided to give you this money. I want to relieve you of your duties for now. I will call you back when I deem it fit. Come and take the money and leave.
Your Highness, thank you very much. I appreciate the gesture.
My friend, take this money and get out.
Can I at least see him off?
You will do no such thing.
Why?
You are spared from joining him. Because you're royalty.
I'll leave now and stay in touch. Thank you, guys. Stay in touch, my princess.
Does someone want me to believe there is nothing between these two? Nonsense.
Huh. David, come here. Come. I heard the order. The order was for you to leave this palace till further notice, but further will not notice. Further will not notice anything. You will leave here and never come back. I told you, didn't I tell you? I told you that your behavior in this palace is just is sounding as if you want them to sack you, and you have achieved it. Oya, get out. I told you I'll laugh last. Who is laughing last now? Get away from here! Get away! I promise you, even if you carry your entire family to come and beg, they will not accept you. I'll make sure they will never accept you. Get out! Get away from here! Rubbish, color screening idiot. He's behaving. You are driving the princess. We will not hear anything from any word from you again.
David.
Amaka?
Are you traveling?
No. I was suspended from the palace.
What? Wait. I hope my father did not do this.
It has got nothing to do with him. What makes you think so?
My father, I know, would do anything and everything for me to stop speaking to you and rather focus on smiling at the prince. I don't know what he means by that.
Maybe he wants the prince to look in your direction.
That's an insane thing I've heard in a long while. Anyway, I will go home and speak to my father. I will ask him why he did this.
Why he did what?
Why did he make the prince sack you?
Like I said, your hands are clean. He has got nothing to do with this. As a matter of fact, it wasn't the prince that suspended me. It's better that I stay out of this palace than to stay here and have the king to confront me.
David, what next?
Maka, just continue to supply them, okay? And stay in touch. I gotta go. Okay?
Get out from that place! If I mean, David, Ewo, Aneka Chime, what is it? Oh yeah, meanwhile, leave. Your boyfriend has been sacked. Go!
I can see you want the prince to use your head for stopping his supply.
As drunk now. As drunk, you are calling the prince your uncle.
Good morning, my prince. I'm here to supply your palm wine.
Egu, do you still have some money with you?
Yes,
Let me see.
have some money with you.
Good. Now take that keg of palm wine from that pauper. Pay her. Then see her out of this gate and make sure she never comes here again.
Yes, my prince. I will do exactly as you've instructed.
Hey, Noria, did you hear it? Did you hear that? Oh. Give me this thing.
Come on. the prince said I should give this money to you. And he also instructed that you shouldn't step your foot into this palace. Don't come here again, no. You are not needed. Now leave.
You can go. Let me continue from here.
What do you mean by I said you should leave?
Get out. Let me continue from here. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Come on, get away.
Now what is wrong with you? What is your problem? Guy, one day my girl. Man, you give her pit one day.
Can you just shut up? Your own is just to come and give the instruction and get out. I will do the rest. Are you the owner of the gate?
You have succeeded in chasing David out of
Get out of
I
here!
know your plan is to chase me out. It will not work.
Get out from here. You can't beat me. You can't beat me.
My
I have skills that will destroy you.
Use your skills one day. We'll see. Oh, yeah, we'll cover him.
Mama.
Sorry.
Ah, Mama. Stay in that palace was like a living hell.
Hey.
Thank God they saved me off the stress. Oh. Thank God.
Oh. So Agumba had the God to treat my son like this.
Mama, the king's hands were tied. I'm so grateful that he paid me in full before he suspended me.
David.
Yeah, Mama.
You have to start considering how you marry Chiamaka.
Mama. Why now? Let me focus on starting something first. Eh? Besides, her father doesn't like me like that. He doesn't like me. And I have not told her that I love her beyond our friendship.
You may not have said it with your mouth, but your eyes and your actions have said it to her on countless occasions. Yes, and her actions responded too.
Really?
Yes. Talking about her father, he's just protecting his daughter from the devourers and time wasters. Once your intention is made known, he will support you. Yes, he will support you, but you have to start up something to convince him that his daughter will not be hungry in your house. You got that?
Prince will be my source. Prince will be my source of saying goodbye to poverty. I will tell him to break down this nonsense house and build me a better mansion. Duplex. From here now, be my vision. Then, correct parlor from here to that side. Passage. Ah! Then, this window off. I'm going to Kuchanka. I'm here 6 million. But this roof itself, only the roof might be 2 million. At least 10 million naira will be okay. Then after this one now, as the father-in-law now, I won't be trekking. As the father-in-law to the prince, you buy me a nice Jeep. Something like a Land Cruiser or...
Papa!
Oh?
Papa, I've been observing you. You've been talking to yourself, talking and talking and talking. What is going on with you, Papa?
Don't mind my soliloquizing. I was checking on what my son-in-law would get for me.
Wait, oh. 10 million naira.
10 million naira.
Papa,
eh?
What are you doing with all this money? Who will give you this kind of money?
You must not know everything. Don't worry, you will know when you get to the point.
And who is your son-in-law that you've been talking about?
Forget that one, I will tell you. How did the prince enjoy smiling and the wine?
That's arrogant prince. Eh? Papa, you're talking as if you don't know that boy. That prince is very, very arrogant.
I'll give it.
I don't know. Papa.
Eh?
When I got to the palace, he asked his driver to come and take the drink and asked me to go and never to come back to the palace.
Why?
Papi Jumkanjoy, I don't know. Papa,
Eh?
when I got to that palace,
Eh.
I saw my friend David leaving with his bag. I was asking him, David, begging Aga, what's going on? He said the king sacked him. Only for the prince to send his driver to come and take the drink and ask me never to come back to the palace.
Hey. The only good news in your story is that David that they sacked. But the other one, I don't know why. And I'm not sure you smiled enough the way I told you to, to smile.
Papa, magazine ụzọ na-achịzi ọchị ka onye ara. Hey, Papa. Ha, biko rapụ ndị a. Let me go and fix something for us to eat.
I want to eat fufu.
Okay, Papa.
With your phone. Then it's all a nice meat from the stew. Oh, hey. My daughter, not to come back to the palace. What might be the problem?
Look, what I do not tolerate is false information. Why would you lie that my mother is having an affair with that nitwit?
I'm sorry, my prince. Please, I'm very sorry. The way the queen looked at David when he was snapping those pictures, it's a clear indication of jealousy. A very clear indication of it.
Jealousy?
Yes, my prince.
What do you know about jealousy? Tell me. What do you know?
Nothing.
Listen. This will be the first and the last time you will come up with such baseless accusation against my family.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Look, I'm sparing you for reasons best known to me.
My prince, thank you for your benevolence towards me. I promise you there won't be a repeat.
Oh, well, it better not happen again.
I promise you it won't happen again. Don't.
Good. Meanwhile, I need you to find out all you can about Princess Amanda.
Amanda?
Yes. Dig deep, make research. Just everything. She might be the one.
I promise you, my prince, I won't disappoint you this time. I promise you that.
Okay.
Anything else?
Well, nothing for now.
Okay. Thank you very much, my prince. May you live long. Sorry.
And agent, please, I need your help. Okay. I'm in need of a shop. Right. Yes, I need it like yesterday.
Okay, can you tell me your budget?
My budget? I don't have it like that. But I need a shop that is at a busy area, somewhere that is very busy. I need it like yesterday.
All right. Can you give me a day or two? Then I'll get back to you.
A day or two?
Yeah.
Yes, no problem. A day or two wouldn't be bad. But you see, I need to start my small business, like biscuit and all these small things I need to start. Okay? But if you see a day or two, no problem. All right? Thank you very much. I'll wait for you.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, AJ. All right.
I couldn't bear watching him and my daughter. I had to send the idiot out of my palace.
Really? Which makes him porous and easy to catch.
But do I really need him to satisfy my sexual desires?
My queen, you need someone that can keep a secret like David. For him not to spill what happened the other day, it made me to believe that David is reliable. He is.
But I've already sent him out and I don't even know where to find him. In fact, I will go to the city and get myself a young, vibrant and energetic boy to help me out.
My queen, not now that David has opened a small kiosk and is vulnerable.
Really?
Just make few promises and watch him dive the opportunity.
You're very smart.
You can say that again.
Do you have the address of his kiosk?
Of course, yes.
Oh, well, I understand. Yes. But no problems. Well, I'll call you back. Who's there? Who's there?
Is there who?
Come in. You have goodness.
Greetings, my prince.
Is she here?
Yes, she's here, my prince. She's waiting for you downstairs.
Okay.
I even made a video of her for you.
Video?
I'm sure you would love to see it.
Really?
Yes, I did.
Let me see.
Like it? She's beautiful. My prince.
This is good.
Yeah.
I like it.
I almost got a roast when I was in the video.
Finally, I have found a bride for my father.
Yes. If I may advise, it will be nice if you keep her waiting for too long. And I will advise you, my prince, you should invest in our project, our pet project, that will speak volume of you.
Yeah. I think you have a point.
Yeah.
You have a point there. Yeah. Let me quickly go and meet her.
Okay. After you, my prince.
Welcome to the palace of Igwe Akinpa.
How are you, my caring friends?
Good enough to thank the gods for making my eyes behold your rare beauty.
Please stop. You know, you always have your ways around good diction.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm sorry for having you in the absence of my parents.
It's okay.
You know I don't know who to introduce you to them if I eventually invite you over for dinner.
Okay, but, well, you have my permission to introduce me to them. As your heart pleases.
Even as my girlfriend?
Come on, stop. Well, if the beat of my heart is best described as the word girlfriend, so be it.
Wow. That's incredibly sweet. My ears are equally blessed today. Oh, princess, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I want to pledge my support to your selfless foundation building.
Really?
Oh, yes. So, how do I make my donation, in cash or in transfer?
I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. Thank you.
Anything for you, my princess.
Thank you so much.
You are so beautiful. And I'm honored for having you around.
Thank you.
Come on, let me show you the rest of the house. You're going to love it.
Okay. I love
Have you seen that?
The cushions. They're all original.
Of course, everything here is royalty.
It looks like the one in my palace. My dad bought it from Turkey.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
This one.
Okay. Oh my god, I forgot my symbol of authority.
Oh, let me get it.
Thank you. You're so caring.
There you go.
Okay. Show me around.
After you, my friend.
Ha! This business is really getting interesting.
I know, I told you.
Ha!
My connect is
Talk not
too sure, man. I told you I know what I'm doing, man.
Okay, my son.
Yes, my father.
Have a good day.
You're welcome,
Good afternoon, sir.
why did you keep your visitors? I mean, this important gentleman and beautiful lady seated without drinks to weigh their throats. Why?
Papa, don't worry, we are fine.
No, please, no, don't just.
We are okay.
Wait, just let me come and go inside and come out.
You don't know this boy. This your old man, a real G. This man know what's up. I like the way they run in parole.
No, don't like the old man yet. Is it because money is now flowing? Is it not the same father that insulted you the last time I visited your house? That told you you're good for not all you know is how to say, Papa, thank you very much. Listen, guys. Let's move to the second stage.
Which is?
Oka, it's time the princess starts bringing in Ado.
Yes.
Let our own money start flowing in. Yes, now.
How? But I'm not even dating her yet.
Really?
Yes, I'm not.
Capitalize on her weakness. Okay. Yes. You know she's in desperate need of a man to present to her father.
That's true.
A fiancé. And also, she needs a modeling job too.
Sharp guy.
The guru himself. I just feel like kissing you.
No, don't kiss me, oh. Do you want Uka to break my head?
Doesn't matter. Don't worry. You can have her tonight. No problem. But listen, only for tonight though.
You say I should just handle you. Just mortal. Just handle you. Handle you. Whatever you want.
For this one, for tonight, no problem. Whatever you want.
There's no need for that. But I need to advise you. The prince is a very radical man. He's a hit and run kind of guy. Don't allow him to touch you.
Me.
Don't allow that womanizer to touch you. Or that baggy me. Don't let him to touch you.
I'll crush him. He's a hit and run. I'll crush him. Don't bother yourself. Me. This side is not going to cross it.
Really? Okay.
Me. Hit and run. He's learning.
It's okay.
Now.
Alpha, your father said he's bringing some drinks.
Have you seen my father?
Come bring it in. Come bring it. Let's drink.
Okay, let me check what he's doing.
Bad guy. Do well.
Papa, you know me. Papa, you know your girl. Not all no nice.
Use block now. Use stone. Use stone. Ichud.
Okay.
Come now. Why are you rushing into the palace like that? Why are you rushing into the palace like that? You think this is a marketplace? It's because you are an elder. If not, Papuga side. I push you out or see me do what? What's that? Why are you here?
Can't you see I have a keg of palm wine for the prince? Yes.
Because of just a keg of palm wine, that's why you want rush into the Igwe's bedroom.
This is just.
You think is this crude oil? Here, crude oil. Take it easy. Hold on here, let me go and confirm before you.
Because I'm never can't get the man.
My prince.
Ibika, what is it?
Icheudu, the palm wine tapper is here to see you.
Huh? Tell him to get... You know what? Let him in. Let him in.
Yes, sir. Icheudu. You can go with your crude oil. He's just behind that building. I'm coming with you.
It's like you want to lose this job.
You say,
you have to call
Iche, don't talk too much. Ana ajakwa kanishi, don't talk too much. Aga ajakwa kanishi.
Greetings to my prince. My prince. I hope you are enjoying my sweet wine.
Of course, I'm enjoying what I feel. Please, remind me again, I've totally blank. Who are you?
It's me, Udu. You are local palm wine tapper now.
Oh, the miserable local palm wine tapper. I remember now.
My prince, my daughter was here last time, and one of your boys asked her out without seeing you.
Yes, I asked them to throw her out. And if you're not careful, the gate man will tell you the same.
No. Please, I can't understand.
Get out.
I can't understand how you feel.
I said get out! I
I
don't want to see you nor your local palm wine selling daughter. Oh, you really think I was going to have something to do with that primitive pig?
My daughter primitive. Prince.
Rebecca, what are you still waiting for? Wait, am I owing you? I have paid you 10 times what you want. Now leave this place.
Prince,
What are you still waiting for?
My prince, how do you want him? Is he by help?
Oh, whichever one you prefer.
Don't ever touch me.
You will
You
go by help.
Throw him out!
You will go if you don't buy another person. You
will go by help. You will go by help.
Don't move. Go by help. What nonsense! Now I know better. Imagine that little brat humiliate me this way.
Papa.
Eh?
Ogini. What is going on?
The prince, of course. Thank God he has shown all his characters. I've seen all his manner. Very stupid idiot. An arrogant fool.
Ha! Papa, what did the prince do to you?
Don't worry, I'll tell you. But you know what to do for me now? Invite that your friend David. I owe him an apology.
David?
Tell him to come. That prince is an idiot.
Papa, you mean I should invite David?
Invite him. Hey. I owe him an apology.
Hey! Oh my God! Hey. David! David!
No verse, bro.
David!
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I did not expect to see you here this early. Yo. I hope your father won't behead you for coming around to me.
No, my father sent me to you.
Your father sent you to me?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Why? Okay, to buy some stuffs?
No. He asked me to invite you over. That he wants to apologize.
But I don't...
David, come on. David, you know my father likes me so much. And he wants everything that will make me happy. And you know, you're a very important personality in my life. You're my best friend.
Yeah.
So, why not?
I do, I know. I wish I can have the opportunity to be called my in-law by your father someday. Yeah.
David, why don't you come and speak to my father what your heart seek instead of dying in silence?
Amaka, my dear friend, hi, I'm so happy for you.
My darling, thank God. I'm so happy. Like, I never knew he had such feelings for me all this while. And he has been pretending. As for me, I knew it from onset.
He's rather too good for just ordinary friendship.
David. David is so kind. David is so caring. David is so hardworking. Above all, he knows how to make me happy. He knows how to... He knows how to make me laugh. See love. See love. Hey, tell me, what are his plans? Marriage, of course. Wow. My dear friend, this is dream comes true. I'm so happy for you.
You can say that again.
I'm
just so happy. I'm just so happy. And I can't wait to be called David's wife.
Oh my goodness. Hey, let me tell you something. Remember, I am the only friend you have in this town. And I'm going to be the chief president. So, of course, who else? I don't know. I'm just saying it. I'm just saying it.
I can't wait to become David's wife.
See love.
Una fugoy.
David.
Greetings, my queen.
David, have you thought about what I...
Greetings, my queen.
You have really finished him.
David, what is she talking about?
Don't worry about it. There's nothing to spoil your day. Come, let's sit down.